10 ways to limit screen time. 1. Keep them out of the bedrooms. Bedrooms should be a sanctuary for rest, and blue light does the opposite. By keeping screens out of bedrooms, you'll improve your sleep quality and create a space where you can wind down and disconnect. 2. Get a real alarm clock. Many of us have fallen into the trap of using smartphones as alarm clocks. This often tempts us to start our day with unnecessary screen time. Break this habit by getting an old-fashioned, retro-style alarm clock. It's a subtle change, but it can effectively reduce your screen exposure, particularly in the morning when your eyes are very sensitive to blue light. 3. Digital curfew. Instigate a fun and practical rule, a digital curfew. Set a cut-off time each evening, ideally an hour before you plan to sleep, when all screens must be turned off. This routine can help your mind wind down, paving the way for improved sleep and reduced screen time. 4. Screen-free meals. Make a firm commitment to enjoy all meals without any screens. It's a perfect opportunity to be in the moment, relish your food, and engage in meaningful conversations. Since family members mostly see each other during meals, it's better to keep dining rooms screenless to hit two birds with one stone. 5. Switch to paper books. While reading on a Kindle or tablet can seem convenient, physical books provide an appealing and tangible alternative. It's an effective way to drastically reduce screen time and rediscover the pleasure of flipping through pages, the smell of paper, and the satisfaction of marking your progress with a bookmark. 6. Fight technology with technology. Ironically, the fight against excessive screen time can be won with the help of certain apps. Tools like Freedom, Rescue Time, or Flip track and limit your screen exposure. They not only help set boundaries, but also enable you to understand your digital habits better and enforce necessary downtime. 7. Screenless workouts. While screens have become a popular tool for guiding workouts, there are several refreshing screenless alternatives. Consider printed guides for routines like yoga or outdoor activities such as running or hiking. Exercising outside offers the added benefit of connecting with nature, which can further enhance your physical and mental well-being. 8. Old-school entertainment. Reconnect with hobbies that flourished before the age of the internet. Activities like board games, painting, reading, or outdoor sports can be incredibly rewarding. They not only offer a refreshing break from screens, but also encourage creativity, mindfulness, and social interaction. 9. Practice screen fasting. Drawing inspiration from intermittent fasting, consider implementing screen fasting. It involves designating specific days or hours in the week as strictly screen-free. This unconventional strategy might be challenging at first, but it can powerfully recalibrate your relationship with screens and digital devices. 10. Plant a garden. Whether it's an expansive backyard garden or a modest windowsill herb garden, gardening can be a therapeutic hobby that diverts time and energy away from screens. It's a chance to nurture life, engage with nature, and savor the gratification of watching your plants grow. Plus, it's an eco-friendly activity that benefits the environment.